Hello there, I would like to tell you about an amazing site called GayGuideWorld.com. Yeah, GayGuideWorld.com is an international site that offers you information about great venues around the world. Yes, it helps you find out services of the community in different spots around the globe you never knew they even existed. Go visit now, GayGuideWorld.com.